everyone, this is John Schulte with Office Furniture Resources, and this is the Hon Endorse Chair. Right off the bat, you've got the adjustable lumbar. Arms go up and down, and if you want to adjust the width, they go in and out as well. You've got your pneumatic here on the right. Nope, that's not it. That's okay. Your pneumatic right here on the right. You've got your tension dial. And you also have your tilt lock. On the left, you have your seat slide adjust. Right here, you have your back angle lock. You have your recliner lock here. And that is the Hon Endorse Chair.
This has been an OFR Studios production.